I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye. Said
Hey guys, as you can see, aku udah ada my base makeup on. Karena hari ini aku mau nge-review this bad boy over here. Ini adalah Y.O.U Simplicity Eyeshadow Quad. Aku belinya yang nomor 02 Smart. This is what it looks like. Warnanya cantik-cantik banget. And pas aku swatch di store-nya, warnanya beneran sepigmented dan secantik itu, which is why I decided to buy it immediately. Ini harga eyeshadow quad-nya 55.000 doang, so that's so affordable. Kita langsung mulai aja. Aku ambil blending brush seperti ini. And then I'm going to take the yellow mustard shade and the eyeshadow quad. And then I'm going to apply it all over my crease using a back and forth motion. As you can see, first impression aku itu kayak bagus banget eyeshadow ini. It blends so easily, gak patchy sama sekali.
Kanye, the always rude Kanye, spaz in the news Kanye, I miss the sweet Kanye, chop up.
And then I'm going to take a pencil brush like this.
The beast Kanye, I gotta say, at that time I'd like to meet Kanye.
And then I'm going to take the brown shade, the warm brown. And then I'll apply it on my outer corner. Ini blendnya pelan-pelan aja di bagian ujung luar mata kita. Dan blendnya itu gak usah setinggi warna pertama.
Invented Kanye, it wasn't any Kanye. And now I look around and it's so many Kanye. I used to love Kanye, I used to love Kanye. I even had the pink polo, I thought I was Kanye. What if Kanye made a song about Kanye? Call I Mr. Old Kanye, man I'd be so Kanye.
And then I'm going to do the same on my inner corner. Kita hari ini kan mau buat halo eyes. Jadi kita kayak ngegelapin bagian ujung luar dan ujung dalam mata kita. Jadi fokusnya itu kayak di tengah-tengah mata kita gitu. And then I'm going back with the blending brush. Kemudian blend everything together supaya gak ada harsh lines. And then I'm going to take the champagne shade. Ini warnanya bagus banget. Dia kayak reflective banget, gak chunky sama sekali. Kita apply-nya ini di bagian tengah-tengah mata kita.
That's all it was, Kanye. We still love Kanye, and I love you like Kanye loves Kanye.
And then I'm going to take an angled brush supaya aku bisa buat winged liner. Aku ambilnya shade yang paling gelap. Dia itu kayak merah bata kayak gitu. And then I'm going to draw an eyeliner only on a half part of my eyes. And then I'm going to pop that champagne color on my inner corner to complete the look. And now I'm going to continue doing the other eye, and I'm going to fast forward all the clips.
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. I hate the new Kanye, the bad mood Kanye, the always rude Kanye, spaz in the news Kanye. I miss the sweet Kanye, chop up the beast Kanye. I gotta say, at that time I'd like to meet Kanye. See, I invented Kanye, it wasn't any Kanye. And now I look around and it's so many Kanye. I used to love Kanye, I used to love Kanye. I even had the pink polo, I thought I was Kanye. What if Kanye made a song about Kanye? Call I Mr. Old Kanye, man I'd be so Kanye. That's all it was, Kanye. We still love Kanye, and I love you like Kanye loves Kanye. I miss the old Kanye, straight from the globe Kanye. Chop up the soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. I hate the new Kanye.
And then I'm going to curl my lashes.
The always rude Kanye, spaz in the news Kanye. I miss the sweet Kanye, chop up the beats Kanye. I gotta say, at that time I'd like to meet Kanye. See, I invented Kanye, it wasn't.
Okay, jadi first impression aku eyeshadow ini bagus-bagus aja. Menurut aku ini travel friendly banget. Dia juga long lasting. Jadi aku give it 10 out of 10. Dan ini pilihan-pilihan warnanya juga banyak banget, and they're all right up my alley. Kita langsung masuk aja ke lipsnya, karena aku ada satu produk yang juga mau aku tunjukin. Aku pertama-tama pakai Maybelline The Creamy Mattes in the shade Just a Teaser dulu. Ini aku pakainya all over my lips aja.
Any Kanye, and now I look around and there's so many Kanye. I used to love Kanye, I used to love Kanye. I even had the
And then aku mau ombre pakai ini. Ini adalah Flawless Matte Lip Crayon. Ini aku belinya dari Miniso juga. Ini harganya 40.000 kalau gak salah. Ini shade-nya Y.O.U Lavender.
Polo, I thought I was Kanye. What if Kanye made a song about Kanye? Call I Mr. Old Kanye.
Bentukannya kayak gini. Menurut aku ini gampang banget buat ombre. Soalnya ujungnya kan runcing. Ini aku swatch kayak gini. Shade-nya ini kayak dark rosy. Dia ada tone keunguan kayak gitu. Ini aku pakainya di bagian dalam dari lips aku. Sebenarnya at first produk ini kayak biasa-biasa aja buat aku, tapi semakin aku pakai itu semakin bagus. Dia tuh formulanya creamy, gak kering sama sekali. Enak banget, it glides on so smoothly. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope this could be of some use to you, and see you.
Loves Kanye.